Hello YouTubers and YouTubies, NorthCoastT here. Today we're working on the Chevy 3500. It's got the 350 in it, the 5.7 liter. It's the 4-door, 8-foot bed. More specifically, replacing the fuel pump. Tools needed for this job are 19mm, 16mm line wrench. That's to disconnect them from down yonder. You will need a 13mm to remove the grounding strap that bolts in here on top of the frame. You need a flat blade screwdriver to remove your clamps. Hammer helps to pull off the ring. Adjustable pliers, screwdriver, and we used a wizard wheel to cut off. Threw lots of sparks, but we had no gas leak, so we were okay with sparks. Make your cut coming off of the front of the bed, 4.5 to 5 inches. We wanted to do it where we didn't want to cut into the brace. So we went beyond the brace. It's about 4.5 to the brace. We tried 4 inches, which some videos suggested, and we were right on the brace. So we wanted to alleviate that issue. So we went to 5. 5 inches off the back of the front of the bed to 19 inches. So from 5 to 19, we came over off the side. We went to the second indented rib. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. We went to the second indented rib, the lowered rib, not the upper rib, because we didn't want it to be on the higher side. And then made the cut 20 inches. Gives you plenty of room. You can see there where you can get right in there. There's another support right beyond this. So made it 20 inches across, just folded it up, and then we'll fold it back down and fasten it on this side. We got a bed liner too that goes in here. So, and there you have it. It's all done. Back in place. I bought the Bosch fuel pump, and it did not come with a new ring or the gasket, so we had to reuse it. Luckily, the previous owner greased the heck out of this one, so nothing was rusted on that part, and it came off really easy and went back on easy. That's what the finished job looks like so far. We're going to tidy that up a little more, put some more brackets on it, and then put the bed liner back in. Hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day.